What's up guys, Nate here. Just checking out a new camera today, the Insta360. Let's see how this goes. I'll give you a quick little update on the truck. It's been a couple days or weeks or so. What's new? I've got this setup. So I got a wall behind me. Got the TV mounted. Kind of built the frame for that wall. I had a back on it, but I screwed up the sheeting on the back. So built a little shelf, a little sneaky shelf back here behind the TV, just on a pan and tilt mount. So that kind of hides that. Gives me a little place to store stuff. I'm gonna have a little panel here with the controls, some storage. What else is new? Put some upper cabinets in. These are just plywood, standard cabinets. This is a 30 by 12 by 12. This is 36. And the little workstation sink here. Check this out. This is my little smart home thing. And I can turn, where's my kitchen lights? I can turn my kitchen lights on over there. Closet lights. So kind of cool. Works just off the iPad. Bathroom lights I can turn on as well. Whoosh. Nice bright bathroom light. One in the shower there. A couple up over the vanity. Pardon the mess. Been trimming things out. Put my closet rod and shelves up. I just kind of built these custom and started to kind of put all this together. This section down here is storage access from the outside. We'll have drawer banks down here, drawer banks on that side, and then these will be double door wardrobes. So yeah, what else? I'm gonna have a bunch of shelves here. Well, ignore that. Anyway, yeah, what else? Down here is a cabinet. It's probably way too dark for you to see, but that is all the 12 volt stuff. I still need to clean up the wiring once I finish that off, but you can see as I turn these lights on and off, those little LEDs dim with the lights. That's basically the control for that. And that's about it. We've been gone for a couple weeks because of traveling, so haven't really come back to this too much since the last video other than that stuff. Over here, we're gonna have a U-shaped dinette. These cushions are gonna go. I'll make custom cushions for that. And then we're gonna do a drop-down bed here. And that's about it. That'll be done. Finish the cabinetry, finish this stuff, and then it's all just little bits and pieces of trim and finish work. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour, and see you guys next time.